for the speaker. Phones away, Lisa. Lisa. I don't want to see your phones on the desk. And out of respect for the speaker, you're listening, taking notes, but saving your questions for the end. Remember, notes are collected, they're used for a quiz. And those of you who are presenting, the video is recording for your general reflection later. Okay, go ahead, ladies. Thank you.
Hello, we are Sayaka and Menja. Today we are going to present about malaria vaccine.
First is the Millenium Goal of malaria. Have helped by 2015 and began to reverse the incidence of malaria and other major diseases.
What is malaria? Malaria is an infectious disease that characterized by cycle of chills, fever, and sweating, caused by a protozoan of the genus Plasmodium in red blood cells, which is transmitted to humans by the bite of an infected female mosquitoes.
How many people died because of malaria? Every year there are 480,000 to 836,000 people died every year. And every day there are 3,000 children died just in Africa.
How does the malaria spread? First, infected mosquitoes, and next, first infected to patient, next infects liver cells, and infected red blood cell, and the mosquitoes infect second person. That's how does malaria spread.
In the area of malaria, as the picture you can see the largest infected area is in the middle of the Africa, and also some part in Western Asia and in South America.
What is symptom of malaria? It usually fever and stomach ache or sweating or headache.
And how does the vaccine work? There are two main kinds of malaria vaccine, CS protein vaccine and transmission blocking vaccines. The protein vaccine is to attack the parasite at its weakest point. After the parasite left the liver and before it enters the red blood cell, the vaccine will attack and it will prevent the red blood cell infection and reinfection that causes malaria symptom. And transmission blocking vaccines. Transmission blocking vaccine will create antibodies to prevent the mosquito transmit parasite to human host.
Next is Manuel Patorollo. He invented first vaccine for malaria in 1987 and first used in Colombia. This vaccine that he had made has shown it is useful on prevent malaria. It shows effect on about 40 to 60% of adults and 77% for children not older than 5. This malaria vaccine has been tested in about 40,000 people in different places that had been infected with this disease.
The World Malaria Report in 2013. Since 2000, there are 45% of malaria mortality rates has been reduced. The way to prevent malaria now, besides using vaccine, is to use nets with insecticides on it, or keep the mosquito away from human. But in sub-Saharan Africa, there are still more than 50% of the population cannot use this way to prevent malaria because they don't have enough money. So the best way for prevent malaria is now still the vaccine.
Malaria vaccine in future. In this year, U.S. researchers found that the vaccine which can prevent 100 of people from malaria. The vaccine is testing by researchers now, so it may publish in 2015. So near future, maybe we can get 100% prevent for malaria vaccine. those dinosaurs. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, ladies. Questions about anything for them?
What year he invented the first vaccine?